Here's a really typical exam question involving logarithm. Let's do a quick analysis and see how we go about solving this type of problems. The analysis looks something like this. Logarithm has two big properties. The 1b over here is related to the first one. Logarithm, when you take a log on product of two things, a times b, you end up with two logs adding each other. A corollary of this one is when a and b equal to each other, then this little hat, looks like a hat, falls off in front of the logarithm. It's pretty easy to understand how that's the case because a times a is a squared. Adding the two logs together here duplicates 2 of log a. The second property of the logarithm is base times when a log of base is involved. This is a different way to write logarithm into an exponential. Just like adding and subtracting go together, as multiplication and division go together, logarithm and exponentials go hand in hand. For this particular problem, obviously, we don't have this rewriting over here. What we're going to end up using is property 1 and property b over here. So let's write up the solution. The solution looks something like this. We are going to use the property we discussed earlier, a times b, because it's 125 times x. That can be reduced or using log of property, split into two logs adding each other. And this chunk over here, 125, recognizes 5 cubed. We're going to use the property of this 1b over here. We'll have a little hat over here that's going to fall in front of log. Log of 5 of 5 is equal to 1. So 3 times 1, that gives the 3. So what we have is 3 minus 3 on this part. Since it's minus sign here in front of this big bracket, I will have minus log 5 of x. There is another step we can take. Let's do that. The steps that's in yellow, it's not necessary. On the exam, I would give students full credit if they stopped over here. If you intend to, you can. This minus is really minus 1 times another log. We're going to put this hat back onto the x, have x to the minus 1. X to the minus 1 is really 1 over x. So, like I said, the last 3 steps is not necessary. I would not take any credits off or points off if students stopped over here. However, it's a good exercise to know you have 3 more steps if you intend on carrying it. Well, I hope this helps. Hi, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Please subscribe this channel and send you questions. I'll do my best to answer them. Have a confident day.